So this is my Phelsuma Grandis pair. They're day geckos from Madagascar. The female is up on the bamboo and the male is up front here against the glass. And I got a cup full of crickets. I'm going to see if they'll take some. They've learned that the cup of crickets has, well, crickets. So sometimes they're all about it. Whoa! All right. Oh, she's ready. All right. I raised her from a little gecko, and him I got as an adult for her to be her boyfriend. They haven't yet produced anything, but sometimes it's a couple years before they start producing. Sometimes they start producing literally right away. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, he's looking at it for some more. Let's see if I can zoom in this time. They're so great. She's still sitting there with it in her mouth. What I like to do is give them each a couple, and then I'll just dump a small handful in here, because then they can hunt for them. A little enrichment, a little enrichment. Hi, Boat. Would you like to go outside? And he's gone.